Hi everybody, welcome to HIT 448 or Information Governance. Just a quick video, a quick welcome. I do have the syllabus here in front of me, so again, to go to your module, and then you can pull up the syllabi. What I want to say about this course is a couple of things. It's 1 credit. This was a huge challenge for me to build this course. It's brand new, and I made it over the course of the last year. And information governance and IG is a huge hot topic right now in HIT. But yet to deliver it to you at a 1 credit level has been kind of a huge challenge for me. What I decided to do is, and I know we've said this to you guys before, this semester up until maybe spring break time is pretty hot and heavy. You have a lot going on in your classes right now. I don't want IG to be a huge taxing thing for you. So what I've done, and you can see if you look at the course calendar or go into the modules here as well, is I have a lot of assignments that come from our AHIMA's case study book that fall into the information governance more competencies for us and for our accrediting body. And so you have kind of a first module here that's open called Information Governance. And I don't have a lot up here for you. There is some reading here out of your big sales book, which is pretty much your Bible book. It's Health Information Management Technology and Applied Approach, the 5th edition. It's hardcover. You should have bought this with Healthcare Delivery. Use your very first course in the HIT program, and that's where we make it mandatory that you buy it. And this really is. Ask any past grad who has passed that RHIT exam. This is your Bible, okay, that we refer to. So there's a lot of reading that we need to do this semester from this big, heavy, hard-covered book. So this is your sales book, and I give you some pages to read out of. Otherwise, as you can see, I put any other online reading necessary. And when I say any other online reading necessary, I mean you need to be smart about sites that you're going to, okay, to read about some of these topics. AHIMA is going to be your best bet. You all, before we go to state meeting, should have your student membership, which means you can log in and actually get into private or more, publications that only members can get into, which is what you're going to want to do. So the AHIMA website's always going to be good. CMS, of course, is always good. A lot of those sites that we've used throughout the past 2 years now. There are some materials listed here. And then some assignments. And as you can see, this first module called Information Governance on your syllabus, I have my syllabus kind of right here with me. It says it's open from today until February 18th. And there are questions over video. There is a job description, a case study, and case study. So there are a few case studies you need to do and a little bit of reading, but nothing too taxing. There's not a lot to do. I need to make you familiar with some of the tasks of governing this information, and that's what information governance is. So the first half of the semester, when you're hot and heavy everywhere else, I really want it to be light in this class. And then you'll notice it gets a little more general in the last part of the syllabus, and you just say, I put in that you have project number 1, project number 2, project number 3, and then a final. Okay. And to be honest, I'm still working on those projects and finishing them and getting them completed for you. But what those projects are going to be, first of all, they're over the time when you are more than likely just doing your clinicals. Your other classes have kind of gone by the wayside. You've gotten them done, which is kind of nice because then you can just focus on these projects. Information governance is all the data that we're collecting and all the information that we have. How do we take control of that, and what do we use it for? How are we using it? Some words you'll hear a lot or read about in your reading is drilling down. We use a lot of Excel. in information governance, a lot of dashboards. If you look through the course guide, some of the terms that we need to know are some of these kinds of terms. So looking at our case mix by patient population, on an account side of things, and drilling down to find answers to questions that we may be asking of our patient population. So a lot of these projects are going to be very hands-on. I will give you like a data Excel spreadsheet full of patient data, and I want you to tweak it, to query, to make reports from it, to drill it down into specifics so you can tell me and draw some conclusions from your answers. It's not a yes or no answer or a number answer, but it's going to be what can you deduce from the answers that you got from the steps that you took, kind of thing. So we'll get to that at the last half of the semester. So again, if you have any questions about class, let me know. The syllabus is there for you to follow. Things are open for kind of a long time. I have more modules here on your course calendar. You see information governance and then databases. And then you see study design and report requesting, data validation, data analytics, and then final. And I have those modules built, but I put them all in draft mode so that students can't see them because, again, I'm still putting in the last parts of those projects. So as those get done, they'll start opening up so that you can see them. But from now until the middle of February, you just have this first module, information governance, to do, and everything is here in the module in order for you. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Welcome.